Yeah.
So we do have 6 bottles here, and they're all 30 grams each, and this is the top and base coat. So the first color we're gonna go ahead and be using is called Priscila, and I've already actually opened it. I filmed the video, but eventually I lost all that camera footage, and so we have to redo this again. So this is the brush that it comes with, the brush and spatula, or brush and picker. And overall, I really love this design. I can't stress enough how much I love this design. It's like a vintage look. It's an oval number 6. And I have my 𝚤𝚎𝚘 here. It's 90% 𝚤𝚤𝚘. That's what we're going to be using as our sip solution. So here's the base coat. Now let's go ahead and cure them all for 30 seconds. Okay, so now that they finished curing, we're going to leave these aside. So this is the first one that I'm going to be using. This one I think I'm just going to simply, so for this one I think I'm going to just do a very simple one. So I'm going to just scoop some of this out. I love this color, I mean look at it, it's so pretty. So a little does go a long way on this brand. Like I said, it glides very smoothly. You guys can see that right away. And I feel like I use way too much, so I'm actually gonna build an apex here. Let's go ahead and go with the next one here, and the next color is 𝚐𝚐𝚘𝚗𝚎. It's a very dark purple, mostly like just very dark. And I'm gonna try to not grab too much, just like before. I just want to let you guys know that I'm not gonna edit this part here. I want you guys to see how smooth it glides. And just look at that. And it's not sticky as well. It's just very easy to work with. I'm thinking of doing something different for this one, but I'll see right now. Okay, so this looks like what I pretty much just want done. This is how it looks so far. Let's cure that. So we're gonna go ahead and cure that for 60 seconds. And now we're gonna use another color here. And the next color we're gonna go ahead and be using is Ambrosia. So now I'm gonna go ahead and check if it's cured pretty well. So I'm just grab this cuticle pusher. And it seems to be cured pretty well, so now we're gonna grab a nail file. And we're gonna just perfect this line here. Oops. So I still feel it needs a lot of shaping here. So we're gonna go ahead and actually see if I have a bit to pretty much perfect the line. So I'm actually gonna grab a lint-free wipe and we're just gonna place it over to see if the shape is pretty good. It's not to my liking, but it's okay, so I'm just going to leave it like that. And now we're gonna grab our next color, which was Ambrosia, I believe. And we're only gonna grab a tiny bit. So now I'm gonna go ahead and cure that one for 60 seconds. This one is called Victoria, and I've noticed prior to this video that most of them are very similar or very alike colors. So now for this one, I have no idea what I'm gonna actually do yet. It's more of a burgundy type of color. I don't know if you guys can see that. It's very pretty actually. And I'm just making sure that my brush does not have any of the other polygel. Okay, so this is how it looks after. So these colors kind of match, not really, but it's a very pretty 𝚤𝚐𝚘𝚗𝚝. And it's a very, very dark purple. It kind of is similar to the one that we tried at the beginning, I think. No, it's like the second one. Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and cure that one too. Then we have Dracula, and it's another violet purple. Like I said, they have very similar colors. I really love how smoothly it glides. It's very easy to work with. A little goes a long way, and since a little goes a long way, these bottles are pretty big compared to a Model 1's one. I do have tons of polygel, like I said. These are the bottles that they give you. I mean, it's a very big difference. I don't even know if one of these will be enough just to do a whole set. Honestly, I don't think so. So definitely recommend you guys to go ahead and check out 𝚐𝚐𝚘 Cosmetics on Amazon. I think that's where they sell most of their products, and also leave their info down below or anything like that. And they also are very attentive with the feedback that you give them, so if anything's wrong, just DM them. Now that they've all finished curing, I'm gonna bring a hot bowl. Let me just go pretty much get stuff ready, and then I'll be back. Okay, so I finally set up my bowl, so now we're gonna file. Well, that's it if you want to file. Most of them I really like how they turned out, so I don't think I'm gonna file any of these, but I do want to let you guys know. I do want you guys know that filing is gonna probably ruin the nails, just because we can see from this one that it has little air not bubbles, but I don't know what they're called. This one we are gonna file no matter what though, so let's just put these aside. And I'm gonna grab alcohol or acetone. You can use either or. So it does have that little spots that you see there. All of them will do that if you file and buff. They will definitely do that. Like I said, I've already tried this kit before, so I'm actually gonna tell you the pros and cons. And the con is that it leaves these little bubbles there. When I told them about the air bubbles, they did say to buff, so I am gonna try to buff as much as I can. So now that I buffed, I'm gonna go ahead and put everything away. These are how the colors look. They look absolutely pretty. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and see and test out the color temperature. This one is cold water and this is hot water. And so I believe this is how it looks on the cold. Let's do this color first. Ooh, this color is very, very pretty actually. Okay guys, that was it for today's video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed watching this color change polygel kit. I would give this polygel kit an 8 out of 10. I really love the polygel kit. Just the fact that when you file or something it creates bubbles is something that I did not like about it. Overall, everything else is very, very good. It's very easy to work with and the colors are very pretty. And the other thing is that it has a very similar colors to it. Like for example, the purples that we see here. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.